Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
It's the 2nd of January 2022 and we would like to wish everybody a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody, and we wish you a prosperous New Year. It's the second day of January 2022 and we're going to be sowing our chili seeds today. And we will share with you how you could sprout or germinate your chili seeds in 3 days.
So without further ado, Dad, let's start gardening.
Let's start sowing some chili seeds.
If you love growing chilies like we do, and you live in a colder climate such as the UK, it's best to sow your chili seeds early. January is a good month to sow your chili seeds.
Although you can sow your chili seed throughout the year, as long as you can provide a temperature above 20 degrees, your chili seed will germinate. Now, if you live in a colder climate like England, Canada, America, or Europe, it's best to start your chili seeds indoors. So today we will show you how you could germinate your chili seeds in 3 days, but providing a consistent temperature around 25 degrees Celsius so that they pop up quickly. And this video is going to be in 2 parts. So today we will show you how to sow them, and we will update you in a week's time to show you how quickly they popped out.
Today we're using a ordinary multi-compost to sow our chili seeds. If you're using an ordinary multi-compost, remove all the wood bark from the soil so there's no bits in it.
We have added perlite to improve drainage and aeration with the multi-compost. Today we're using plastic cups to sow our seeds. We're going to be using 2 different shapes. So Akib's going to be sowing Naga chili and I'm going to be sowing Carolina Reaper. Fill the cup with soil by 2/3 from the bottom and flatten it down slightly without compacting it too much, so there's no air bubbles.
This is the seeds that I'm going to be using, the long Naga.
So you're going to be sowing Naga seeds in here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be sowing
the Carolina
Reaper. Now, when sowing your seed, you can pre-dampen your seed by putting them into water for a few hours, but you don't have to. Today we're just using dry seeds. So scatter a few seeds in a container this size, maybe about 4 or 5 seeds in them.
And spread them out.
And spread them out evenly. So I'm going to put about 4 in them actually. And spread them out.
I'll put 5 in mine, Dad.
That's fine. So just spread them out.
Once you have laid the seed on your seed tray or in your seed cup, bury the seed by 1/2 centimeter, not too deep. Otherwise the sprout is going to find it difficult to shoot up.
So all you need to do, bury it by about 1/2 centimeter, not too deep. That's fine.
Okay, this one's done, my one's done. Once you have buried the seed in the soil, using a water sprayer, dampen the soil without getting it too wet, but make sure there's plenty of moisture in it.
So give it a good rain without getting it too wet. We don't want water dripping out, but we need plenty of moisture in it. We have added 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in this water. If you don't have Epsom salt, it's okay, just use plain water.
This one.
Nearly done.
Once you have sprayed water onto the soil using a water sprayer, get your seed tray or your seed cup and place it in a plastic see-through bag. Or you can wrap it up in some cling film so it retains moisture, traps in the heat and creates humidity.
So this is what we did. So we've placed the seed container in a see-through plastic bag. Now this got a zip on it.
Ziplock.
It's got a zip lock. So I'm going to put this in here, and I have labeled it. So and I put a date on. So I'm going to seal it now.
My one's
Put the zip on.
Yeah, my one's zipped on.
So it's going to trap the heat and it's going to retain moisture, and so that it will create humidity, so the seed will pop out quickly. And you have
Some cling film. I wrapped cling film around this one.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me. Yeah, this one's properly sealed on now.
Okay, you have labeled it. Now bring your pots indoors. Don't keep them outside, otherwise your seed will not germinate. Now, in order for your seeds to sprout or germinate in 3 days, you need to provide a temperature above 20 degrees Celsius, preferably 25 degrees Celsius. In order for me to provide a temperature above 25 degrees Celsius for the seed to germinate in 3 days, I'm going to be using a heat mat. It's an electric heat mat, which you can buy from your local garden centres, or you can pick them up from eBay or Amazon. They're very inexpensive. You can buy them for less than £10. They plug into a socket, and you lay them flat on a windowsill, and then put your seed tray or seed cups on top of it, just like this. And it will heat up this heat mat, and it will heat up your cup. And we have cups inside the bag that will trap the heat into the bag, and it will retain the moisture, and it will create humidity. So therefore the seed will pop up very quickly. I'm hoping in 3 days. That was nice and simple, wasn't it?
Yes, it was, Dad.
Now we are hoping in 3 days' time the seed will sprout, germinate, and the shoot will start coming up. Now we're going to give you an update next Sunday in week's time, one week's time, and we are hoping to make a series on how to grow chilies at home. So today we have shown you how to sow the seed. Now next week, once the shoot comes out, when the sprout pops out, we will show you how to care for them and when to transplant them into a larger pot. And during the season, we will show you how to take care of your chili plant in order to maximize your chilies, how to deal with aphids and insects and
other fungus
diseases. So I'm hoping to make about 5 or 6 videos, like part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 5, from seed to harvest.
This year, we hope to upload a video every Sunday around 2 p.m. UK's time. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a video, so you don't miss any of our videos.
So let's take the journey together this season, and let's and we have something very interesting to show you next videos.
Yeah, we do,
something
Dad.
Very interesting. You should watch our next video. Something very interesting. You'll be amazed. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so let's hope the seed sprouts in 3 days.
3 days, yes.
Okay, we need to clean this place. It looks a total mess.
It does, Dad.
It looks really empty. It looks depressing.
Remember, during summer, it looked very beautiful, plants everywhere.
Inshallah, it will look very beautiful again. So the work starts from today. We need to clean everything. We need to clean all these panels here.
Yeah.
We want to make sure there's no fungus disease.